Hello everyone, welcome to my channel High Tech. In this video presentation, I will going to tell about the drone automation. Drone automation is one of the important equipment which is very useful for industries. The possibility for drone to create the real values are endless. They have emerged as an incredible, powerful, versatile industry tool capable of completing a wide range of uses. The automated drone can be useful for agriculture, security, surveillance, emergency response, infrastructure inspections, mapping, surveying, and many more. Let's see how the drone technology can be useful for all the industry. Different type of drones are designed for different uses. The drones can customize as per the requirement of the industry. The first drone which I am going to talk about, that is the agriculture drone. The agriculture drone is very useful for the farmer, which help you to increase the productivity of the agriculture field. These drones are also designed in such a way that they can identify the healthiness of the plant. The second drone is inventory check drone. With the help of inventory check drone, all the supply chain management activity like the receiving, dispatch and physical verification part can be done with the help of these drones. Inspection drone. Inspection drones are designed in such a way that they can reach at any place very efficiently. With the help of inspection drone, the action can be taken more efficiently and safely. Surveying and the mapping. With the help of surveying and the mapping technology in drone, user can do a lot of survey and take action accordingly. Security and emergency response drones. These drones are very useful for security and hospital purpose where the product can be delivered as per the requirement. Different communication modes are available to do the communication with drone and system. The drone can easily integrate with any kind of system. The real-time dashboard will be available to show that what is the current process is going on the ground. The tablet as well as mobile connectivity can be done with the help of Bluetooth, with the help of Wi-Fi, or with the help of internet. So these are the various modes through which the connectivity between the system and drone can be done. Physical inventory or the cycle count is one of the important process of any warehouse. With the help of this process, the user is able to identify that right product has placed at a right location or not. For the same user have to scan all the product which has been placed at a particular location and the record has been maintained in the system accordingly. If the warehouse is huge and it is a multi-rack warehouse, then it is a difficult process to user to scan all the product. For the same user have to take help from a forklift to bring item from different floor to the ground floor, scan all the product which has been placed at particular shelf location. When scanning has completed, then the same pallet or the product will be placed at a particular shelf location. It is one of the consumable process and some warehouse will going to do the same process completely or partially at a time. The drone automation will going to easy the physical verification task for any warehouse. It is a very fast and efficient. The drone have a barcode scan engine and Wi-Fi enabled. The barcode scan engine are capable enough to identify that where is the barcode. And once the barcode has been identified, then the barcode engine will be activated and capture the data of a barcode. And the same data will be transmitted to the system with the help of Wi-Fi. It is one of the easiest as well as the efficient process to do the cycle count or physical verification part. This is one of the revolutionary device for the warehouse. With the help of the same device, many other tasks can be completed like the receiving, dispatch, physical verification, and many more process can be done as well as it will be very beneficial for any supply chain management organization. RFID technology is not an unknown technology for any industry. With the help of RFID technology, many automation process can be implemented as per the requirement of any industry. This drone is equipped with the radio frequency identification reader to track the location of outdoor inventory, such as a livestock is scattered over a wide range or a car parked at a different parking stations. Each target will be tracked on the basis of their active or the passive RFID tag. The drone will going to record the signal while flying overhead. Upon the landing, all the data will be transmitted to the software to provide the geolocation of the each and every tag target. This can be the thematical equivalent location for the individual piece of inventory. It may be the life-saving application for oil drinks and in other hazardous work environment. It will going to provide up-to-date information to the ground worker. An agriculture drone is unnamed aerial vehicle used to help optimize agriculture operation, increase crop production, and monitor the crop growth. Sensor and the digital imaging capability can give farmers a richer pictures of their field. The agriculture drone let farmer to see their field from the sky. With the help of this drone, the farmer can assign a field where the pesticizing can be done. The pesticizing can be done as per the fixed parameter. It can be done with the help of the GPS location as well as the sensor which has been inbuilt in the drone. The sensor will going to identify that the spraying should be done accurately and efficiently. The dual pump has been designed in a such a way that it can spray uh, pesticide constantly even the flight speed changed. It is a very easy way to do the maintain and repair. The drone can be easily dismounted and making a repair more efficiently. Uh, this will going to change the lifestyle of a agriculture. It always going to save your time and money. Cattle management is one of the important and major issue which is faced by various industry. Either it is a dairy industry or a farmer. What is the demography of a cattle? How many cattle are available at which location? What is the exact location of cattle? How you will going to save your crops, your vegetables and fruits from these animals? These issues need to be resolved. These issues can be resolved with the help of cowboy drones. The cowboy drone is inbuilt with GPS technology. Through the GPS technology, you can easily identify that what is the exact location of these cattle. These drones are inbuilt with infrared camera and thermal camera. With the help of these sensors, you are able to identify these cattle at any kind of environment. You can use these drones either it is day or night. These drones are built or manufactured in a such a way that they can give a direction of number of a cattle or shift the number of animals from one place to another place without any problem. Precision farming is one of the advanced farming through which the maximum issue of cultivating plant can be resolved with the help of precision drone. These drones are capable enough to resolve multiple issue of farming, like identifying that what is the exact growth of a plant and how to resolve all these problems. They can do or resolve these problems with the help of 3D mapping. The 3D mapping of the cultivated ground can be done with the help of three camera, the color image, the infrared image, and with the thermal image. With the help of these three images, a 3D map has been generated in the system, and which is very helpful to analyze the many things. The first thing which will be analyzed with the help of these sensor, that how many fruits or vegetables are available to sell. With the help of the number of counting which has been given by the system, the farmers can manage the supply chain management thing. The leaf indexing mapping is one of the important factor to analyze the health condition of a plant, which can be done very easily with these drones. Normalized difference vegetation index is one of the important thing through which the farmer can identify that which part of the farming area is not doing well, and they can take appropriate action accordingly. The next, detecting chlorelisis in the tree is one of the common things which can be resolved with the help of different medicines, different pesticides, etc. So this machine is capable enough to pass on the exact information to the farmer, and farmer will going to take action accordingly, which is very helpful to protect your seeds, protect your plant, and take action which will be most beneficial in terms of protection. In this slide, I'm going to talk about the different utility of drones. The first utility is drone inspection. Drone inspection is very required for different industry as per the requirement. Mapping and surveying industry is the another feature. The next feature is the security mission. All kind of the security missions can be achieved with the help of drone camera, and the inspection can be done from the drone at particular field. The emergency response, at the time of any kind of emergency response, these drones are capable enough to react very easily. All kind of the security measures can be taken very easily and efficiently. The inspection, different type of inspection can be done with the help of different camera sensor, like the thermal inspection can be done, IR inspection can be done. A mapping, for mapping, 3D maps can be drawn at a particular area, and whatever the logic which has been made, the system will going to do the inspection accordingly and going to analyze the report accordingly. At the time of emergency response, how many emergency response has been come and what are the causes of the emergency response. So with the help of the analysis tool, a proper report can be generated with the help of the drone inputs. So these all are the objectives which I have shown in the whole video presentation. Hopefully you like the content of the video which I have made. If you have any question, and if you want to discuss anything for any particular industry, then please comment me on this video. Hopefully I will going to answer as soon as possible, as well as I am also working on the different projects where these drones can be utilized, and the we can also take out the maximum productivity as per the requirement. Thank you for watching me. Hopefully, if you like this video, then please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.